Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2018 Dodge Charger. This Dodge is powered by rear-wheel drive Hemi V8 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has manual. Rev up your drive with this sleek 2018 Dodge Charger. Experience power, style, and comfort at an unbeatable price. Don't miss out on this chance to own a true American classic. Schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned Charger comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, push button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Dodge Charger is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, voice activated audio, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.